Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the poem Noses from Unit 2nd. So, children, before starting it, we should know regarding the poem. This poem is written by Aline Fisher. The poetess says here in this poem that all of us have different types of faces and our features also vary. When she looks at her face in the mirror, she finds her nose to be very funny, the way it comes out of her face. So children, have you ever looked at your face in the mirror? Do you find the nose to be very funny, the way the poetess feels? So let's start the poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. In this paragraph, the poet is saying that whenever she looks at the mirror, she looks at her nose and finds it very funny because it is coming out of her face. All of her nose is shown and she finds the two holes in her nose, and it is very strange. These are used by us for taking in air to our lungs and giving it out to. You know, children, we all are having holes in our nose, and what is the work of these holes? We inhale and exhale the air through these holes. Next is, I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Stanza, the poetess says that she looked at herself in the mirror and found her nose to be placed in the middle of her face. So children, where is our nose? It is in the middle of our face, between our chin and head. She says that it is just like a handle is fixed onto a door. She is comparing her nose with the handle of the door. Next paragraph is, if ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In this paragraph, she tells the child, the reader, that if ever she wants to laugh at something but can't find one, she can look at her nose in the mirror. She says that the child will find it so funny and strange the way her nose grows out of her face. The poem is completed and I'll explain you the word meanings and question answers. First of all, you will write difficult words: mirror, funniest, breathing, sticking, giggle, short. What is the means of mirror? Mirror, a glass which reflects a clear image. एक ग्लास मीन्स कांच जिसमें आपकी रिफ्लेक्शन बिल्कुल क्लियर दिखाई दे. फनीएस्ट, कॉजिंग लाफ्टर, हंसी का कारण जिससे आपको हंसी आए. ब्रीदिंग मीन्स टेकिंग इन एंड throwing out of air. Sticking means fixed, किसी चीज से जुड़ जाना, फिक्स हो जाना. Giggle means to laugh, हंसना. First question is, why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with two little holes in it. Next is, why is a nose important for you? Because it helps us in breathing And next is, does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? Yes, the child in the poem doesn't likes her nose because she always laughs when she sees her nose in the mirror. So children, our question answers are completed.